That's how you make a square paper out of A4, A5, A3, whatever you want to call it. This is Optimus here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a square paper out of A4 paper. It's pretty easy. You can do it with like A5, A3, etc., etc. It only involves like what 1, 2, 3. I think 3 or 4 steps. It's really easy. Just trust me. It's really easy. So let's get right into the video. Excuse me for that. So first step, you fold a triangle. It's kind of hard to say because of a stupid angle. Let me see if I can get this angle correctly. Sorry about that. But basically, you need to do this. You fold into a triangle, I guess. And make sure that this corner is like neat. And then fold this down like that. Okay, make sure this is like is really sharp, I guess. That means it's pretty good. If it's like kind of how do I explain this? Like if it's kind of like this, I guess that's not really gonna turn out well. So make sure this is let me see. Make sure this is like that. Okay. As sharp as like it can be. Okay, so now if I could zoom out a bit, it should end up looking like this. Okay, so now let's the next step is to fold it up until you see this paper, right? Fold it up until that kind of edge, I guess. Fold it up to there. Make sure it, I guess, aligns kind of directly with the paper, and just fold it down like this. So now you're probably wondering, what the heck are you doing? This is like a triangle with a rectangle. It's nowhere near a square. Okay, just trust me for this, right? You could either, I prefer you using scissors for this step, but you can unfold this, right? And then you can tear this. If I what the camera do, just whatever. Okay. So just tear this line that's going all the way down. Just tear there, or cut it with scissors. And then I just tear it. If you like tear it and it just goes away from the edge, that's fine. As long as it goes here, you're gonna be fine. My god, my voice is dying. If the tear went this way, just leave it for now. You can sticky tape it later, I guess. But if you need to draw on it, yeah, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. But okay, so we're gonna start tearing, and then here we go. Make sure you tear slowly if you want. Again, I recommend you using scissors for this. Not recommend you tearing it if you don't know how to tear stuff, I guess. And oh, okay, there we go. Slow. Almost done. Oop. Oh, that's fine. There you go. It's not really neat, but it does the job. So you have a square paper right here. Pretty big actually, to be honest, but it's a square paper at least. So that's how you make a square paper out of A4, A5, A3, whatever you want to call it. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. It's a pretty short one. Again, it's pretty easy. It's like beginner level, so you can like just, again, you can use scissors like this. These are small. Oh my god. Okay, you can use scissors. Or just use big scissors. Don't cut yourself. Again, if you don't know how to tear, just use scissors. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn the notifications to all so you don't miss out on any new videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.